My personal takeaways is that it's like any other class that you take. You have to come to the class with a readiness of mind. It's like any other class. It's like going to any other school. You have to have a readiness of mind. And I truly believe that I was ready in my mind, but I had not properly prepared my environment. I did not walk into this class realizing how much mental and mechanics was involved with this class. And so the beginning part of it, I struggled a little bit because I wasn't set up properly in my space. And so to all of you future students that will be taught by the amazing Dyniecia Barnes, besides getting everything on the list, besides paying for your class, besides wanting to do it or add on a service or make money, just make sure that you are mentally and environmentally prepared for this class so that you don't have any setbacks, because it's easy for that to happen, especially if the techniques are not coming to you. You really want your environment to support you. You really want to make sure that you are constantly keeping yourselves hydrated, because that water is going to feed the brain. And you really want to make sure that you have it on the mannequin so that you can perfect it on a client. So all in all, I'm grateful that I met Dyniecia, that her and I could be in the same time and space together, where she is teaching me yet something else. And I don't think that anyone could have done a better job than her. But as a student, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. And I just want to say thank you. It is very important, ladies and maybe gentlemen, to have those videos, to play those videos, to play back the videos, to zoom in on the videos, to really, really see yourself actually doing the technique. The way that she presents it and how close she is to camera really, really helps you to be able to efficiently get through those particular techniques. And going forward, when you decide that you're going to do this course, as soon as you get those videos, start watching them. Start just randomly just watching them, and you don't realize how much of a confidence muscle that you're really building when you begin actually working on these techniques. So that is very, very important to watch the videos prior to attending the class. So students, another trip up for me. In the videos, she clearly said to clip the areas as you're going along. She clearly said that. But because I thought that I knew, I just kind of got into it without using all the clips that she had recommended. And that is going to cost you. That's going to cost you time, and it's kind of going to make you frustrated and maybe even your client frustrated. So every detail, everything that she says to do, make sure that you do it in that order. There is a method to the final product and the final result of what you do by making sure that you do it step by step. Make sure you have more than enough clips handy to be able to keep those hairs out of the way, to hold the hair down that needs to be held down, and to hold hair away that needs to be completely kept away.